What's up everybody, Alex here from Extreme Customs and Tire Ups with some exciting news. Now you might drive a Chevy truck because you live in Wisconsin, and chances are if you drive a Chevy, it's going to be leveled or lifted. Now after you install those parts, you might be asking yourself, what's next in my build? And that's where Kryptonite products come into play. Now we offer these products here in stock, in-house, and we're going to be bringing you a deal where you can get any of their products for 10% off. Now what makes Kryptonite so great? Well, the fact that their warranty beats everybody. There's nobody on the market right now that allows you to bend it, break it, wreck it, jump it, sled it, pull it, and they'll still replace it. So if you want the absolute best parts for your Chevy truck, make sure you stop on down to Oshkosh or Appleton locations and get the 10% off deal that we're currently running.